Hi, welcome to Service Pending Operator Weekly Call. Today is January 12th. So we have few agenda items that I added. If anybody want to add anything, any topic, please do. So the first thing I want to mention is that, recently we have slowed down the development feature addition to the service pending operator. So, and we had discussed this topic regarding make this as a more reduce the frequency of this call from weekly to maybe bi-weekly, or if yeah. So this is my suggestion. If anybody has any thoughts, please. Or if it's a 3 weeks also, I think every 3 weeks, I'm fine with that also.
Well, we're not scrumming anymore,
Yeah,
right?
but
So
at least
this
the
will be
community interactions, and in case if anybody want to, uh, that need to happen, right? Continue to.
right. But my point is, leave it at a high frequency because that's the only meeting we're gonna get for SBO.
Okay,
You see what I
so
mean? But I mean, it'll give us more time to do some more stuff. But I think we at least need to keep that one there to see what's going on with SBO, right? If there's anyone that wants to show up, give them a chance weekly at least.
We
What do you
can we
think,
can
Andy?
tweak, we can
I
tweak.
think we should let Andy decide this, by the way. So
Yeah, you can have the community call have like less frequency than now, but keep the weekly spot for SBO.
something else, right?
Something
So
else,
hey,
right?
I'm fine with that. Yeah,
Because we are
fine with
not only community is not the only thing that we need to discuss, and there are some things Red Hat internal, for example, releases and everything, downstream stuff.
that. Right.
That should not go to the public. Since this is a public meeting,
I kind of agree.
Okay. So who's gonna take action? Who's gonna take action on this?
Yeah, I can make a change, make these changes. So there are some, other things also we need to, like the access to that account. We are using a separate account and Jasper situation. So that means we can handle outside the call, I think. Andy, do you have access to that account? This what we are using to upload the YouTube videos and this document?
No,
right?
I do not.
No. Yeah, okay, we'll discuss and I will give you the access. So, I have a full access to this one right now, to that account, and we are sharing the password. Basically, that's what we are managing, but we can check alternatives also if required. Okay. Yeah, so we are going to say this to bi-weekly, right?
Yep, looks like it.
But we keep that call. We'll have a separate call arranged internally
On the same spot, right? Yep.
at the same time. Okay. Good. Okay then. So the second topic that I want to see now, we worked on this project for quite a long time, and we are kind of changing our focus, at least internally. But this project will continue. So I feel like this is a good time to have a project retrospective. We can create a document or something, and add our points about the retrospective. This is what you think. What lessons we learned, what we yeah, insights or anything we could discuss.
Are we going to invite any contributor or any former team member that has left as well?
Yeah, of course, if community anyone can join, we can use the same call. Maybe next call we can use this for the project retrospective. I can share. Yeah,
it may be good to reach out to, for example, Predrag.
If they are in the community call, we can. I think that should be fine, right? Just announcing this in the Slack channel, and then. Okay. Then,
yeah, but what is retrospective? I don't want to give the sense that we're
Yeah, I
oh,
don't want to. Yeah,
we're done with this project. Then
No.
yeah, I don't want to. I don't
work
want
on
to
it.
give the sense
Yeah.
that we're killing this project because
Exactly.
we're not.
Exactly.
Yeah, but at least we are at least I don't think we are going to have intensive active development going on. It's more like a maintenance. If correct me if that's understanding.
Well, if let's say ACK comes back and say, "Hey, I want to implement provision service for all my controllers," could happen, and someone else and someone from Microsoft the same, right? Then
Yeah.
this project become a thing, a big thing, because the main, I mean, if we want to do retrospective, the main thing that we're getting is we're not getting an adoption from the service community, right? That's the main bottleneck, and then we're too few to actually support all the services ourselves. We need the support from the service providers to be able to do that, right? So that's the main thing that's happening. But that's a chicken and egg problem. If that cycle breaks, then that all becomes a thing in the past, and this becomes a service that multiple people contribute, etc., because they have interest.
Yeah, those are the kind of challenges that we are facing. We could discuss all those.
Okay, but I want to make sure that we don't give a sense that we're oh, this project is done.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll add this into the next agenda item so that we can have this retrospective next week. Okay, any other topics anybody want to?
Should we make sure that we put here so that Kate knows that we're planning to do 133?
Okay, we can mention the. I think we mentioned to her last week that we are going to make a release.
Yeah, but
okay,
just let her know that 133 will be it. That we're working on 133, right?
1.3.3 is
will contain pool 1270, right?
Yeah, this issue, right?
Yeah. Okay. If she comes back, she can read that and at least see the progress.
I think this is right. Let me confirm. SPR. Yeah. Right. Okay. If no other topic, we could end the call. And should we continue in the same meeting or?
Well, let's stop the recording and then we can stay here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me stop. Recording on.
I need to